What will it cost you to believe in yourself? How much money do you need to spend to trust in your own abilities, to believe in your potential, to engage in the things that you're confident and that you want to be able to succeed in? Absolutely nothing. It will cost you money for you to hire a coach. It will cost you money for you to get a training. It will cost you money for you to get a degree. It will cost you time and resources for you to learn the things that actually will give you the skills for you to succeed. But it will cost you nothing to believe in yourself. Your self-confidence is within. It already exists. It's already there. It's sitting there waiting for you to bring it out. It's there. It's waiting for you to express it. And just like a muscle, it cannot be developed if you don't try again. So what I will challenge you to do is this. Think of the things that you're afraid of doing today. Think of the things that you have doubts and do them. Do just the smallest little thing. Do the smallest little thing that you believe that you're afraid of doing. And start by doing that every day. Every day give yourself the challenge to do one thing that you're afraid of doing. And you will see in the next 23, 25, 30 days, 90 days, you will have become more confident than you were before. And it would have cost you nothing.